Namaskar, welcome to weekly weather discussion. Today is 15th May 2025. If we see last week summary of significant weather events, so advance of southwest monsoon to some parts of South Bay Bengal, South Andaman Sea, Nicobar Islands and some parts of North Andaman Sea on 13th of May. In addition to this, large-scale thunderstorm activity across the country, mainly Gujarat, Maharashtra, East and Northeast India, leading to damage to some properties and livestock. And also squally winds were recorded in different parts, maximum wind of the order of 89 kmph over East Champaran and Bihar on 12th of May. Heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over Assam, Meghalaya, North Interior Karnataka, Assam and West Bengal and Sikkim. And heavy rainfall also reported over Saurashtra and some parts of East India including Odisha. And a hailstorm also occurred in Jammu, Uttarakhand, UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh and Meghalaya. And Mayur Vihar and Delhi also reported hailstorm activity during last week. The country as a whole experienced 20% excess rainfall during the last week. So this is the summary, and we see synoptic system. So there was one western disturbance during 9 to 12th and another western disturbance during 9 to 14th May. And there was a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam, trough from East Central Arabian Sea to Saurashtra during 11 to 13th May. Another trough was running from northeast Arabian Sea to west Madhya Pradesh on during 8 to 11th May. And trough was running from Bihar to South Jharkhand on 12th and 13th May. So this is the summary of some synoptic systems. And if we see last week rainfall overall, so this was above normal rainfall was recorded over parts of northwest India, central India and Gujarat, Maharashtra, adjoining regions of Telangana, Marathwada, etc. And above normal also recorded over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim and adjoining regions. So overall we can say that 20% above normal rainfall was reported during last week, and below normal seasonal rainfall, that is 4% below normal during a season from 1st March to 14th of May. If we see last week thunderstorm activity, so it was reported over many parts of the country, including severe weather over eastern parts of the country, northeast India, northwest India, Gujarat, especially Saurashtra, Maharashtra, southwest India, and some pockets like Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Chhattisgarh, western parts of Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, where 6 to 7 days thunderstorm activity, means whole week thunderstorm activity was reported. Otherwise, main zone northwest, east, northeast and southwest India, including Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra and Saurashtra also. So that was the thunderstorm. And if we see the hailstorm activity, this was concentrated mainly over Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir and Meghalaya region in northeast India. And if we see the gusty wind, so it was reported over mainly most parts of the country except some pockets like Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Islands and coastal Karnataka, where gusty winds was not reported. Otherwise, over most parts of the country gusty winds were reported. And hot zones was Himachal Pradesh, western parts of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and northeast India. And highest wind speed of the order of 89 kmph reported over East Champaran, followed by 87 kmph over Warangal and Bilaspur and over Nasik in Madhya Maharashtra. And if we see the heavy rainfall activity, it was mainly concentrated over northeast India, southwest India, west Madhya Pradesh, east Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Bihar region. And if we see, in addition to this, because of advance of southwest monsoon, heavy rainfall also reported over Nicobar Islands during 2 days during the week, last week, and very heavy rainfall reported over Meghalaya, Assam, Meghalaya, Somali and West Bengal, Sikkim and North Interior Karnataka. And if we see the map, this map, you can see that the hot spot for heavy rainfall mainly over Saurashtra region and northeast India, and some pockets like we see this map, especially south peninsular India and East India and other regions. So that was the discussion about the heavy to very heavy. Now let us discuss about the advance of southwest monsoon. So for week 1, the conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon over some parts of South Arabian Sea, Maldives and Comorin area, South Bay of Bengal, remaining parts of Andaman Islands and Andaman Sea, and some parts of Central Bay of Bengal during the 3 to 4 days. And in week 2, the southwest monsoon is likely to set over Kerala during week 2. That is the highlight for today's briefing, and there is a possibility of simultaneous advance of southwest monsoon over northeast India during the week 2. That is the highlight for today's discussion. And if we see forecast for rainfall during next 2 weeks, so you will see that during week 1, above normal rainfall activity likely over northeast India and southwest India, adjoining central India and parts of east India. And during week 2, overall we can say that above normal rainfall along with thunderstorm lightning are likely over east, central and southwestern India, and below normal over many parts of northwest and northeast India during the week 2. This is the maximum temperature scenario. So highlight for this is that moderate to severe heat wave conditions likely to develop mainly over northwest India. You can see from week 2. So that is the highlight for week 2, and week 1 some isolated pockets of this you can see that some Rajasthan, South Uttar Pradesh and North Madhya Pradesh can witness heat wave conditions. Otherwise, the hot spot for week 2 may be for heat wave conditions over parts of northwest and Rajasthan central India. From this map you can see that. And if we see the forecast of cyclones during next 2 weeks, so there is no probability of cyclones over the North Indian zone during week 1. However, existing upper air cyclone circulation southeast Bay of Bengal likely to move northwestwards towards west central Bay of Bengal during next 2 days without any significant intensification. In association with the advance of southwest monsoon over South Arabian Sea, the conditions would become favorable for the development of upper air cyclone circulation or low pressure area over east central Arabian Sea in the beginning of week 2. There is a low probability of its intensification into a depression over the same region during middle of the week 2. And with the likely advance of southwest monsoon over central and north Bay of Bengal and upper air cyclone circulation likely to form over north and adjoining central Bay of Bengal towards the end of week 2. Under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to develop over north Bay of Bengal. So that is, you can see from the week 2 map, there is some possibility is shown over east central Arabian Sea and adjoining region. So this is a weather warning map for next 7 days or week 1. So you can see that hot spot for heavy to very rainfall for next 2 to 3 days is for northeast India, and intense thunderstorm activity over east India, Uttar Pradesh, northeast India and the parts of southwestern India with possibility of heavy rainfall. And so we can summarize that heavy to very rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm likely over northeast India and some island West Bengal and Sikkim during next 5 days. Rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning likely to continue over southwestern India during next 5 days with isolated heavy rainfall over Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu during next 3 days. So forecast for rainfall week 2, we can say that under the influence of western disturbance, isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm likely over western region during some days of the week. And due to the formation of trough or cyclone circulation over central, east and southwestern India, strong westerly winds along the west coast, light to moderate rainfall is scattered to fairly widespread rainfall along with thunderstorm and lightning likely over central, east, southwestern India during many days of the week. Isolated heavy to very rainfall also likely along the west coast, especially Konkan, Goa, coastal Karnataka and Kerala during many days of the week 2. Overall, we can say that already mentioned that normal rainfall along with thunderstorm likely over east, central and southwestern India and below normal over many parts of northwest and northeast India during the week. So because of below normal rainfall activity over northwest India, so heat wave conditions likely to develop during week 2 over northwest India. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.